Ye Nensoko TV Uboroso
Mwanchumu waligraria Rwensoko TV, karibu sana hase mesa ya mayako Rwensoko ensa emo asobo tukobo iga boi 13 umutinyino yo gatatu mwaka no bwikiri bubere merongabere na isana ne mono gosaba kwaninga gwatwara rit korigiya nabo igo kwegokire ne miroberio ya gendrida sembeo Yensoko TV ni gora se chinga kibono kumanya ya ene kigwe kura se chinsemo ao na ali bari kibaito ba mangana ba sangere kuru ase mambi ya ringe ntambe kachinga kichiga nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi asiri bagari abakomboate se kuru ase studio ya kabere togosabiro karanso iko benento kurbono oika omwerio mwanju murigeria ejumeiga neyo mwerio ase umukinyi omochenu Ramadan korengana nabege no bedini eriga Islam hase bagandote kwenekia hemirobirio yugosieka omwekinyo iga na kwarigandire tutara nyora senchera yoboikiranu ayiga negatia to kwarigandire tyo botkobare
umweseke gotoki kaneba kongentu oyorira yamna musuru ona tuaichane sana no ntu twasike biasa twakora twaikirikebige
musiba tube myaka 25 gotoka gasiretyo bogema bwaye hase nyombe ya moyo kwego kya kebirigo
lenacapavir, which is a drug that is taken to prevent acquisition of new infections to our key populations.
County ya Kisii ya chakiri omurobiri bwo na ne chanjo yogotanga oburoiri bw'ebinyinyi bya HIV.
So we are the first party in this country to do party elections, and we tend to believe that by the month of June we have concluded the elections all the way up to the National Delegates Conference.
Abege kiama kia UDA kuyarigania sobo chori bo morembe chinsemo cha mashinani abu ankyo. Karibu sana mwanchu murigere nyoro bige mesiga ya mayakuru Rwensoko emo nabo ensoko ensa emo nabo kuyanyora wetera se mitando ito ekerero Facebook na YouTube Rwensoko TV togo chaka no roboti rukubwatia hase emambia rero musibatu b'imyaka 25 uyokonye okweonia kimubire igatokaga kwita senyombe ya moyo kwego kiasi chiro ya kibirigo korengana nabamwabo abarase kyombekemo nigo bono basabiro butukibukorekane asenchira bwango helio kumanya ninki kererete ugosira kwaye nigo bono muberoye rusi gwa sayo na kwira wika senkendu ya nyagitari ya Nyamira muri kito Steven Nyarikembunde agotomanya senchira wikirano
amagombo no borobonene nigo boimoka ase chiro ya kibirigo mega yomosubati bwe myaka 25 korwa sensema ya kiambere wodi ya Bogichora ebunge ya West Mogirango ya Nyamira mubiroye gotoka kare nyomba kare getirianda ase nyomba yo kwegokia ikorokwa Manchester imeye chire ya kibirigo
amalieta ngorogorina tukemtomambia setere Kenya bangere akinindo monya biashara okebirigo kore kia kore kanire kiango sesana otigo mwana otabwatia sagochi nayo sebese kari yeto etobwatasi omwana yanyora sago sokoriki asago sagochi mweseke gotoki kaneba kongentu oyorira yamna musungu ona tuaichane sana no ntu twasike biashara twakora twaikirikebirige
ono goje njeongo tunyibono mambia nanyoru mugondo ndi omwana wa enero uyu
korengana na birori nigo bakweranga omusubati uyu gokora hase epa hase omochi uyu kebirigo nigo ababori amanene habere gaweso kyanga naki mubiroye gotoka hase epa heri hatari gokorera
omusani one mokongu sana ngocharo randenga musungu ngorre kendi yosi nje nago tigirabu ngorre kendi yosi nachira segeti nepa yakora ne yaito yakora sakata akini karato kana mwasawe na kumisana akora sakata na mwamarite die kumete kebiriga ntoda tama gendro na ntobe ga security una ntwa mara to koreba ngaito
omwana oyo sirete igakoro ku Marion igare oyo nyaga cyo kiambere anje saitere nyakore secondary igo mwana uyo tari ng'ato tamumanyeti ne njira togotebi gung'aru etepa eng'awa agacha korara agaiga bono ntumanyeti ng'e ari esara iro murangu ng'omo igorerete korumeka ro murangu ore gwasi igare gesogono igoni geruse tianga karara bos ba tento taka tutwere subo maene abantu baisani kigutomanye ngikere osaba n'abantu babi
nje bone gento nagoteba kirega ese pae yesatoka batatena ki umwana oyachete nande nakiba mumanyete nande ngobarenge ko muri tkoria igoro tumanye na tumubwatira tumana ngigite to mwana
asensemo yabagambi korwa hasenseme yo nigo bareirenga nigo botuki borache ko bokoreka kubatekana nogo itwa gose hugotoka ko mubere uyunya gosira
umuntu naro kwereire Manchester ba ari namo tuma guchoronga gachingo ora verify buyo manyanga na maene oikao ore ba nesiekire ana krosiesi osiesi onte bio kiroronyo re ba siekire una twaicha twakira DCOS imi DCO wamnyoka gocha bwangu twegure ba magutwa nyoro muswatu ya maene na kwete muswatu ya sara kore ba yorwenyi igaika yoro magoroba una bagoteba agateba nga uigure bubi ono tukumitinga rika bari kumwire nyegitari robare ko morenta Manchester are akarara ni Manchester iga nomuratoka yakwite igo igari yachire oiru Nyamira irinde rio postmortem mwicho korwa nera otebye kana maene nga na ruarte gustar ruarte
nigo mubere unyagosira oirwe ngendu ya Nyamira rifaro ekere getabo kyobotuki ya DCI Nyamira gyachakire obotuki bwa ime Steven Nyerikiembonde Ensoko TV Kibirigo he county ya Nyamira
Tokoskabosio mwancho murigeria county ya Kisii yabaire gatichi county 15 chigo chakia obwenani bwo echanjo yoboroire bwenyamoreo yo manyekerete buna Lena Kapaville yenye gitari ya Getembe okwana nabarikia mangana hase chinga kichogo chakia echanje yo nigo bono mo director bubo bwenya me county ya Kisii Dr. Matiko airere igoro yobuya bwechanje yo iri gukora okwambukiriwa kuboroire bwenyamoreo obwobure bwebirango bya byekire ibere nukutakianda igoro yemia wikira umwaka weta igati ababwatani ao igati ababatendrebe byombe biria bigokora obonchoreria bokweonia nigo bono bokubwatiranirwa n'ababwatani abo bobochano bachakire asenchera ya bene okwenanwa wechanje yo muri kito Pethuel Machini nwarenga sayo robotiro ya senchera yo bwikirana
bono no mweso gutsiasa menyime county ya Kisii edo wetanga kurwa kwa makiri gwoboroire bwenyamoreo Bunenchiremo yokwene kibune birengo byo kwambukirania abo yeboroire bwenyamoreme county ya Kisii nigori sikurerero egetabo kyobochene county ya Iga kubatirane wizara yobochene yabeire gachichi county chinde 15 imense ya Kenya ochakyo bwana nibwe chanchi yoborire bwenyamoreo yemanyikazuna Lena Kapaville dispensary
in Kisii County as of the 25 data is at 2.9%. Women affected slightly more than the males. Last year, the new infections were 359, and we had 310 deaths as a result of HIV-related complications. Today marks a significant day for this county, and specifically the Health Department of Health, the County Department of Health, to have joined the rest of the 15 counties in the country to launch the use of Lena Kapaville, which is a drug that is taken to prevent acquisition of new infections to our key populations.
Kurengana na mutenri bobobwene me county ya Kisii Dr. Matiko Giabe nigaine kirimna nigo county ya Kisii yanyorere dosi saine asogo chakira na gutugutira de chingo mna tikirani tikoenanwa.
We've received enough doses for our county, close to 500 for starters, and we expect that we'll be receiving more doses. It's a drug that is an injectable and has undergone various trials in the past, and has been by the relevant regulatory bodies as safe and effective to prevent new infections. So I want to make it clear to our population that this is not a trial drug. Our people are not going to be used as guinea pigs. It has been approved to to be effective, and therefore everyone receiving it should have the confidence to come forth and get the injection.
Negati abatani bebyombe bya habali bagokoro bonchere bokweonia nigo bagokiro kubwatiraniwa asogochekyo we chanje yo era cyo kubakonya asobonchere bwabo bwakira rituko na gukora okonengetwa
tore no mugoke sengencho county ya Kisii ya to involve na sex workers ba Kisii county asogocha mona ntuto sange event yega asenge toto chikoba chi beneficiary che igoromono asenge njoiga stoko batogo kora ya sex work nigo tore ase high risk yo konyora HIV ko bwa bantu bande bonse asenge njoiga stoko kora to abere no mogoko omonene mono asenge jo to abere involved na ndito chikoba chi beneficiary.
We thank you, the government of Kenya, the Ministry of Health, Kisii County, for allowing us to be included in such big events of launching the PrEP injectable drug, which is very important and key to sex workers and KPs at large. PrEP si mwisho wa ku prevent HIV. Kuna madhara zingine zenye tunaweza pata kama gonorrhea, syphilis, so tuepukane nayo, tuendelee bado kutumia condom as other option of preventing HIV infections.
Nashukuru for the launch of injection of this PrEP. Nashukuru sana imetusaidia because ina reduce the stigma which was there when we are just visiting the facility twice every month. Now you are going to visit the facility twice a year, which is good for us people who are using PrEP.
Kurpoteria Soko TV kurasinya gitari ya Getembe dispensary me ye county ya Kisii Pethuel Machin.
Memono murigito Pethuel Machini kurase county ya Kisii tokoskabosyo mwancho murigari ase county ya Nyamira oyo korige kirogo kyo governor ase county yo engineer James Kemoni nigo bona mwachiro bora bwe county ya Nyamira anane mona ba MCA hamono mo governor Amos Nyaribo abo bwangoiga banyatuko bakoria eirago chiase ogokorera abana inchi emeremo ka okwana samatanga yamo imeasere bunge ya North Mugirango na boigo chaime ensemo ya bunge ya West Mugirango bona no nyaba kiramo nigo bona se miaka emenge bataranyara ko baba wikira nimeremo bune bwendrete bire nigara chegweso yakoriye kiroge kiasobo chole bonane mwako gocha
ule ukifika nikitoka kwa ofisi yangu ile nasimamia ya Kenya nitakuja kugombania kiti ya ugavana Nyamira. Leo nimesema wasiwasi wale wamekuwa wakisema hawaamini ni nini naendelea. Mimi ni candidate ese nyumba ya Mwanyagetinge. Oyo ni yule alina hotore tole ko gamo turu anako ko kunze lakini tole ko kunze anesi mwange ko mwatatiku iko nasema mchitokeze mchukue mchiandikishe kama wapigaji kura ndio na sisi tupate zile namba zinatakikana kupitisha kwa zile viti tunatafuta kutoka nyumbani mpaka huko juu.
Yenye yatiga ile garaba kurusia usama bona tikale usuno yonane ya vile last ni 17 vote ono kidogo ne kogenda sisi tunawaombea mema aenda yakonya banta sukunyara ikinyanganyiro tunakuombea no ni je sabe kura ere universal award yemono
chingaki cha nyereire wana bakibne county erega ngwego kerito no na kero Nairobi ogote abuna Nyamira nseino ngwanjoro terego no onyo muchino to liboronge ogosinyukorage nyomba yo bunyansi kwaraga gojumwa abande yeri bati ose permanent na bono omonda akogenda imotake no nyene senate yenya gocha Nyamira bina anti corruption omonda wikaga yo manya goteana na arwarire gagobori bunandi kwarware to tebanaki namba no igara arwarire.
Tokoskabosyo mwancho murigaria ritkoria lero nigo mwakilisho basubati kurase county ya Kisii Donya Doris Toto aikira na senka nyagosira Rebecca Kwamboka Manoti mewadi ya Bugusere nsemo bunge ya Kitutu chache South county ya Kisii helikurwe ngora yaye gochiase amateyo abego kubasira nendagira mo nebintu byoboraro okwa na senke yo Donya nigo bona aboria benye bechi tige gwetana nabamwe abo okoba yabana siasa na wanchana mbe chinga kicha siasa anene mono wanchana una omugusi
abantu bakutaka magego cha kuika 2027 eto cha kurusira ile serikali ale ndabo chikura mbamo tebe tubo batu mbaya takora tiki kawe chande raki tikako wana bantu bamino ko yo tikako itana bosa eli amatangare wo mujumbo yo musani tosire tengeno mama eta majumba bantu bati ko mulele singa ibalwete boy koy ilu moitana ntoba jumbe tokare tiki to igwane to kolie cha o jumbe ka kweli no yo mwabo iwo ko te bana ikuliere se saini e motiera mata ilu mwa koraki mwarwa ndu moko rwanda wana chibese chilita chumanere ko mo jumba ko ni mushahara yomo ole na nini kumanere o mo jumbe gale constituency njende constituency rena nai tando maro mo jumbe ga ko gale kala marangiti na marangiti ne ko karaba to mchana ne mo na ite ko rusi asemo aseru to mosanyo ne mo muevere ni pale tera vale Tiana tikwa tines na ne ko tabana na logo ngai umani ko ni kama kitu kwa Kiswita mo wake sabu ya 2027 ni mo cha kotebeka itu tutaka tuko mbali ya mungu ya otumia ejitira ne bunge akakonye kuna osokoni kuna na usirwa kuo mogere mo bitiro mo ndachana tu no diam mo dire yo morai o kono Mwenguna magura minto. Tanyo mondo bati okomo watu mchando. Nakini kuna mwase kirega mugweneti. Kali kwa gwe. Chita nikaibere mbare tera marangeti. Mbare tere miku. Talibo. Omwaka kwa nezabu. Ebi ntebi mwato usangine serikali. Na abalente. Mbobe nakwa. Igobuno mwana siasa uweteka. Orangera magendo litana ni omanya oso asiki omanya kwenda siasa mwato chorete tokora magendo robo tokora siasa
abarkiwa baria bakoreta matemwa ba KCSA mwaka weta kurwa se ward ye chitago barabu nsemo ibunge ya South Mugirange County ya Kisii aiko konyora libagario konyora amasomo a computer obutumiki bwechibesa na bigo chinchera cyo komenyo kuya se skuru ya jiri oronigo abarkiwa bo bayiro obosemia bwabene busyo bwechinga kichabo kire University au herigo chiko chora na gosomera chikosi au muri kitu Cliforenge agotumanyia senchero bwikira
yamo yokubakira wasemia iguru chinchira chingiye cyo kugendereria anelekegema aso tumeki wech computer mitandao yake rero nabo iguru yobutumeki obuya bwechibesa ono nige serikali ya county ya Kisii gwetera aso murubirio wajiri yabasemiri aboroki gwabe wadi chitago brabu ensemo ibunge ya South Mugirango
kwa Ishmael Nyakoni ndiye manager ya ajiri program ase county yetu ya Kisii itokolia letu achira ase wadi chitago brabu asengencho tune program ya itere every Friday tukotora mangana career guidance wa iko na entertainment tuwa atawa ene ba ko na bana.
We are very appreciated thank our governor for this program of Ajiri that has helped many of us, including the youths that are here, even the Form 4 leavers who have been very high there. I think all of us have benefited from this program.
Akora wana Ishmael Nyakoni oyure omo manager we school eyo nigo abaire segetenene kogenda gokoromokia asekera kiri gionsi bagokora
asengenye kumanya tenga abange bona bakwete Form 4 paka nikonyora guidance nikora nyale bako bago approach buzima tuwabwate Professor Nyamboga oyokurwa se University ya Tangaza otire gitukolia lero ili ni kwenikari je abana tankosi barakore ne grade kiri babwate ndikibakwa ndio na ajiri tugwakira umugabano itungambya mona asinge njugo cha initiative yo bakonya abana bataka batale gote konyara wikera program ne kusamba kana yabasoma kana computer wayo kana na computer packages also wametoa mangana financial literacy mangana mental health mangana personal branding and marketing ili ndaba saya bakara bakore bamanyangana kibago approach biskora itukolia rero abasaya over 300 mbesoki asinge njugo cha kwego natoko batoko kwa create manake iwe toko bakera ngambya mono bwo toko bakera entertainers kuno ebintu bikiya bachiri itukolia rero asinge njoko kya basaya barumanya nga talent ngwaka na chire mono nomagabana ito ochakire omoroberio erinde gokonya chiwodi chipe chonsi 45 abasaba erinde bayabanyanga bakanya
Nabego Professor Constantine Nyamboga oyo ikerana asege karekyo yokuba abasaye abosemia nigo amwakera omugabana bwe county ya Kisii muskepo simbarati bunambu yamono asakora to murobirio yo bwo basemia abasaye iguru y'kingencho cyekerero
yamono Ensoko TV for joining the Achiri program. Students are being trained at the Tago. It has been a wonderful day. Again, I'm happy because I have been wanting to come here. This is not very far from home, although I've come from Nairobi, but I'm very happy that I've associated with very young, upcoming young girls and young boys who, anytime now, they will be ladies and gentlemen who will be going to the university. But because, again, the governor thought it worthwhile for them to get what we call soft skills, especially information literacy, focusing on computer literacy. I'm happy because that is the right way. As a university, that's what we always like partnering with. We currently have even students who are at Ajiri and are the same workers as Ajiri who are students at Tangaza University. And as a university, we are proud to do that.
Abarokigwa abo babere bagosemigwa asensemeyo asimitinge bere ono nigo bagochokora matemu gochakera aseri tukuri ya Jumatatu nigo bagokera masomo abibairwe abo asebate babuna nigo arabakonye asamatwari bosyo
Jackson Omoyo mwaka majungo ngere makaji wa Tago kwanza ngene Simba hadi yamono asabaleta kosi ya tukasoma kwa kiwenda kiamna bana nandenga nga soma na wana na basiye sekosi iyo ndugia ni mtaya chingaro na tiamba choi njende esiyo ye timu ya Power Stars kera ba ko isaposa ngozi ngikera karanga isaba na computer na bangu buri na ndana ba watera ngikera basongo bali support ya timu yane ye kiri ngirane
Ono nigo yatigera sabaro kigwabwe webekanga kiboronge libakora bya asamatemo yo ingo reporteria Ensoko TV kura chitago barabu ensemu yebungi ya South Mogirango county ya Kisii Ritiriane Wycliffe Orenge
Toska bosio mwancho morigereria habara kiama kia UDA bakoragwa no murikyo munene bwe kiama kio Omar Hassan no munyakero gwe komiti obochori bwe kiama kio kia UDA Anton Mwaura igona batebire kiama kio nigo kegochia gukora obochori bwo bwana no bwasyoku chinsemo cha mashinani abo ankyo asabo igakwanire chinsemo chinde asobochori bwo butachi korekana kubwatekana ne bitango ao nigo bono baruro kubole gocha saba bwatani na bara kiama kio gwetanga kurwaso kwaneke chibura buru muri kitolini atinyambane agotomanya senchiro bwikira.
It has been our nature, our elections, we know that it will be very free, verifiable, and without any violence. And we are warning our party members to desist from violence, especially violence against women.
Abarai bekiama kia UDA babekire teneni emeroberi ye kiamekyo asobochori bwa mashinani obuboroberi gokorekana abu ankyo ase chinsemo ao imeyense gukwana imambia yerit kuria rero kurwa amagacho amanene ye kiama kia UDA abarai abo nigo bono baenekeiria abakenya buna obochori obo nigo bogochia ko babo bwene no bwasyoku ase bono batebire abo bisani go banyorire amageri obuna ba
We are having elections in 18 counties around the country, mainly in Mount Kenya region and Rift Valley region. We were supposed to have elections in 20 counties, but we removed 2 counties, that is Nakuru, because as you are aware, there is a safari rally which is happening there tomorrow, from yesterday, today, tomorrow and Sunday. Then there is Kakamega County, whereby there has been a massive registration, and we thought that because there are so many contestants, more than 40,000 contestants, we decided to give them their day, which will be on 28th for Kakamega and Nakuru. So tomorrow, our elections will happen as scheduled. They will be starting at 8 in the morning and ending at 5 in the evening. You will be doing elections in 8,819 polling stations.
Polling stations zetu ni maelfu ya polling stations na nuna uchaguzi kwa kila polling station, watu 20 kwa kila polling station. Sasa ikiwa mtu baadaye atakuja aseme kwamba labda uchaguzi haukuwa wa huru na haki, kwamba labda kulikuwa na kura zimeibwa, Zimeibwa wapi? Na kura zinatoka kwa polling station. Tuna officials wetu kwa kila polling station 20 ambao atasimamia, na hizo ni kura tayari ambazo zinaanzia pale. Kwa hivyo wananchi wa Kenya waanze kujua kwamba kura inapigwa kwa polling station na kule ndio UDA iko. Hawa wengine ambao wako kwenye majukwaa, ole wao, kwa sababu watakuja waseme kwamba kura yao imeibwa, na wakiulizwa imeibwa wapi watakuwa hawawezi kusema, kwa sababu hata polling station zenyewe.
Chingakie checho omoriki omonene bwe kiamekyo ni gatebire niko baguchia gukora chinkwana ne kiama kia ODM buna bara chigoswa asobochori bu mwaka bwe chirubere 2025 nebere asebo igatebire ebyama biri byonsi byarosetie serikali ya Kenya Kwanza niko bigoche kubwatiranirwa ase chinkwana echo.
Kenya Kwanza is still alive. This government is Kenya Kwanza that became broad-based government. A lot of the commitments that were made under the Kenya Kwanza government are still alive and well, and therefore nobody is affected by this resolution or by this process.
Nonye nabo Omar omochirie ensemeri yekiama kia ODM ikoragwa no moseneta bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna asatebire ensemeni go yaberege kwamereria eserikali na goteba buna teraikirani cha agenda 10.
They are trying to tie Raila's death as also extinguishing the life of the bipartisan process so created. It's a very simplistic way of looking at it. If God had willed and Raila Odinga was alive, I think the process and the outcome will still be the same. So for him to simply try now to bring innuendos, and there's nothing wrong to extend the life of a process on the basis that significant progress has been made by a certain team. I took personally as Secretary General. If you do recall, on the 7th of March, the MOU of last year, 2025, that MOU in the same KICC was read by Sifuna and myself. But not signed by Sifuna and myself. It was signed by the two party leaders committing their parties to a bipartisan process.
Goripoteria en Soko TV. Erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Toskabusio mwancho muregerera chinga kiabegenwa bedini ya Islam bagwikirania rituko ri Juma yo mwerio somotinyo mocheno Ramadan igobona monogeri bobasaye haba Islam imemo chobosongo sahitito aisokire na kurana ryambo yamono gochase byombe byonsi byoburendi imemo chobosongo asoko bainekeri oburendi boisaine konya barai ao kobabwatesia ase okorikirania boikirano na boigo ritukeriga numotinyo iga bwensi ase basabire chinga kichinyororo uchiase beguna bonsi be Islam.
لا إله إلا الله ولا نعبد إلا إياه مخلصين له الدين ولو كره الكافرون الله أكبر وسبحان الله بكرة وأصيلا الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله.
Salamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Kwa majina ni Saida Awadh Tito, Youth Coordinator, Kisii County. Leo ni Ijumaa ya mwisho katika jamii ya Kiislamu na mwezi mtukufu wetu wa Ramadhan. Tunafunga tukiswali. Katika hii Ijumaa ya mwisho 10 zile bora za usiku zinapatikana. Tunakesha msikitini tukiomba Mwenyezi Mungu afungulie kila mtu. Katika masuala yetu ya kutembea usiku kuja msikitini kutoka, tunashukuru sana apparatus zote za Kisii County, DCI, police za Central Police Station na Nyanchwa Police Station kwa kutupa ulinzi mwafaka. Tunawashukuru sana. Bila kuwasahau waliyetufika karibu, Daktari Ondari, hachagui dini wala kabila. There is a call coming on your doorstep, Dr. Ondari. Venye unatibu watu hauchagui dini wala kabila. Mwenyezi Mungu akikujalia upate hiyo call nye inakuja kwenye mlango wako, ufanyie watu kazi venye unafanya tu professional yako ya udaktari. Na sisi kama jamii ya Waislamu tunashukuru kwa kile kikubwa na kidogo uliyetupa. bila kumsahau Engineer Ibrahim, kijana mwenye roho safi, mwenye roho ya ukarimu. Vile vile wewe, Mwenyezi Mungu akupe na akuzidishie na akufungulie kila kitu yako. Na kama jamii ya Waislamu tunawaomba, mwezi ukiandama wa Idi, tunawaomba muje jamii yetu yote iwaone. Isiwe ni mimi tu youth coordinator ndio nawa recognize. Nataka jamii yetu yote ya Waislamu ije uwaone.
Mancho murigaria naso gukorera muraibwensi ya Kenya muske William Ruto nigabikire ese igati yemeswada kobari chiko igati abo muswada uri kumurekera hekemeri yechae ase omwaka o 2023 asabona kira chiko bakonya abarimi enjere mu buseyende kwegandaria murubiro yoni gone kiwase nyombe na yobora ya status aiga somo cho Nairobi.
Your Excellency, the second bill is a coffee bill which was originally a bill that started in the year 2023. The first one being the Miscellaneous Fees and Levies Amendment Act, which is a bill which was introduced in the National Assembly following cabinet approval. The bill was introduced by the leader of the majority party, who is a member for Kikuyu constituency, the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah.
I have the honor to present the Meteorology Bill 2023, a bill sponsored by the Senate Majority Leader, Senator Aaron Cheriot, Senator for Kericho County, navigated through the House by the Committee on Land, Natural Environment and Natural Resources. The bill having been passed by both houses in the same form is referred to Your Excellency for by the Speaker of the House, which the bill originated, being the Senate.
Mancho murigaria abo notuika omwerio haso kumanya ali aenekiwe aseri tukeriga bia mona soko sanga na intwe asemesema yakoro ensoko ensa ya munyoro bigonande gikoraga chinsa isato denchikora nagaga tosanga senchera yobo ikarano kurende asoko tuma maigasi gati abari babere bagosanga na intwe Charles Rioba Obare amo no murugio ya Agnes Kemunto kurwa ase ensemeria ya Bonyaiguba Motobo egati metia segotoka Bonyaiguba Motobo babere bakobwaterira nkomanyigwa kurende nayo mwancho murigaria togote bambia mono nabo igasabari kibaito bonsi bamangana siri bagaria bankonya kurwa ase studio akabere koenekia marigune chibi chango chara senchirengia nche nkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi.